Good morning, John Giffin, State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas here. I want to talk to you about receiving proposals from roofing contractors. The reason I'm bringing this up is one of my customers sent me a proposal from a competitor the other day. It was very vague and did not even list the products that he was going to use or the manufacturer for the shingle product. So when y'all receive these type of proposals, you need to be asking questions about what product are you using, and if you're comparing them to other quotes, compare everything, apples to apples, not apples to lemons. A lot of difference between underlayment, starter strip, ventilation, shingles, manufacturer warranties, and the workmanship warranty being issued by the contractor. Please beware. Do your homework. Thank you.